Hello, my name is Francisco Felix. In this video, I will show you how to assemble the main frame and how to apply sealant correctly. Now I'm going to fasten the left jam to the header. We can see that unlike the header's fabrication cut, this one is not uniform. We can tell here that this is the lower end of the jam because this part here must be facing the exterior side of the frame. Now, using the appropriate sealant, I will now apply it in all the perimeter of the fabrication. Once I finish doing this, using the fastener provided in the part box, I will proceed to fasten the jam to the header. Fastening the screws manually might help to prevent damages to the frame. Once we finish fastening the screws, we will apply sealant on the screw heads as well as the frame joints. We have here the seal, and we can see here the exterior end of this extrusion. The first step we are taking is introduce the track insert into the extrusion in this way. After I follow the same procedure of fastening and sealing all the corners of the main frame, I'm going now to dry fit this frame into the substrate. To recap, I already showed you how to assemble the main frame and how to dry fit it into the opening.